Hello, I'm Calum Franklin. I'm the chef here at Holborn Dining Room, and I'm going to show you around our brand new pie room. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to build a pâté en croûte, which is a really sort of classical old savoury pastry dish. We use the whole duck in this process, so the legs, the neck, the breast, the kidney, liver, the heart, that all goes into the mix, and then we roast the carcass and we make a jelly which goes in at the end. Some pistachio, some mustard seed and some thyme, and we leave the breast diced and the hearts diced as well, and everything else is minced so that you have kind of contrasting textures inside. If you have sort of one area of this, which is going to be thicker pastry than the rest, it's going to create weakness in the other parts. So the chances of you sort of springing a leak when it's cooking are going to increase. So we want to make sure every single corner, every fold is the same thickness as the rest of the dish. You've got to have a sort of gentle touch with it when you do it. Cutting deep enough that it opens up when it cooks, but not cutting through it, because then it will burst. We've made 4 kind of little air vents in the top of the pâté. With this chimney, what's going to happen is the fat's going to roast inside, it's going to rise up these, and then as we take it out and put it to cool down, then fat's going to go back down inside and just sort of moisten all that meat again, but with that beautiful roasted flavour as well. So we cook this at 180 degrees, just till it's just cooked in the middle. We use a temperature probe to do that. So that's going to go in there now. We'll see it in a bit.